the ice 300 miles north of Longyearbyen.
I'm in the Arctic, standing on the frozen ocean. Below me, there's about a metre or a metre and a half of ice, and then below that, well, just the dark sea. The temperature here is about -21, and it's a windy day, so you've really got to wear everything you possibly can to survive out here. So I'm visiting this research vessel. It's run by the Norwegian Polar Institute. It's called the Lancer. It acts as a kind of mothership for science, a set of floating laboratories. But a lot of the science here takes place on the ice. Teams of researchers planning out across this white wilderness to gather data on everything from the state of the ice, the snow, the ocean below, and the atmosphere above, all part of building up a picture of how this region is changing. Now, there are real dangers with doing this research. One of them is polar bears. We saw one of these great animals as we flew here by helicopter. So anytime anyone is out on the ice away from the ship, someone has to carry a flare gun and a rifle to keep watch for those polar bears. Another threat is that this ice is rather mobile. It looks rock solid, but it's shifting all the time. So people have to keep a very close lookout to check that the surface beneath their feet isn't just crumbling. So although the scientists have their instruments scattered across the ice, often in these little huts and tents behind it, they have to be ready at a moment's notice to rush back on board to stay safe. This has happened several times since the expedition began in January. Since it runs until the summer, that's bound to happen again.
David Shipman reporting.